Airtech Heating and Air Conditioning, and today is Tech Tip Tuesday. First thing we're going to talk about today is the importance of air filters and why you want to change them regularly. So the most important thing about air filters is the air flowing through them and the fact that we're keeping debris off of your evaporator coil. That's going to reduce energy consumption drastically. So most of y'all will have a 1-inch pleated filter or horsehair filter like this. These filters often will tell you that there's a 90-day change rate on them. But what we're really seeing is anywhere between 30 and 45 days where we want to change these filters, and that's going to increase the efficiency, which is going to lower your power bills. What we use here at Airtech on all of our new systems is an Aprilaire media filter. This system here will get you anywhere between 4 and 6 months on a filter change, but it's going to increase the airflow of your standard 1-inch filter. They're super affordable, they're super easy to change, and this is what we prefer to use at this point in time. They typically go in a little bit easier than this. Anyways, filter goes in, door goes back on, and you're good until your next regular serviced maintenance with your heating and air conditioning contractor. Appreciate you this morning. This was Tech Tip Tuesday with Rory. Thanks.